What's up, guys? So today we are doing a full cabin crew tour. So what a way to end my contract, but to really show you guys where I live for the past 7 months. And here we go. We're gonna open the door. Here we go. So I'm a bit shy talking outside because maybe some of my neighbors are still sleeping, but right now I am actually doing a crew cabin tour. Okay, so I'm starting on this area. So we have this area where we put on our shoes. And I bought this one in Amazon actually, but I'm leaving it to my cabin mate since I'm leaving today. Okay, so that's our trash can there. And then, yep, so we have our own television as well. And this is quite techy. Let me show you. Alright, so you'll actually see our names here. So it's Chinkame and Avi. And then we can also view our accounts here. So let's check it out. Yes, Sheila! This one is actually foldable. And this is Sheila! The Sheila, my neighbor. And here on this side, you can see our life vest. Area where you can put on your skincare or everyday essentials. Also on this area, as you can see, you can also stock your stuff here. And this is my space. So I slept here for 7 months, and we actually have this lamp. Yep. And then this one, I don't know what's the purpose of this, but I normally put my phone there. And this is my roommate's place. Alright, so here on this side you can see our mini bar. And here you can also load some stuff here. And also here. Alright, so normally we divide everything into 2, and so this is my space. All right, so here you can see my cabinet where you can also load the clothes and everyday wear. And here, this is our air conditioner. I like it because it has a hot feature. Yep. So if you turn that into this side, you're gonna get warm temp, and on this side, cold temp. Right. And this is our life vest. So normally you have your cabin number there, and then yep, this is really important because in case of any emergency, this is a lifesaver, and it has to be visible all the time. So we normally put it there so we can just grab it. And then there you can see on our ceiling, it is equipped with high fog, smoke detectors, and then I think this is filter. Alright, and here you'll see a full view mirror. Alright, And yep, this is our restroom. So here you can keep all your bathroom essentials. And then you have this mini sink here, and there you go, our shower area. Right? So it's actually good. Like, even if you live somewhere, this space is just okay. And you can see some of our stuff like detergent, our brush, and Sheila.
Again.
So yes, actually this table is foldable. And I like it because if you want more space or if you want to exercise, you can do it. So thank you so much guys for watching, and please don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
thank you. Hindi na makapag-
Mga tao dyan eh.